from the 3rd of the 3rd month of 1437. It is the 4th of the 3rd month of 1443 as I record this. Imagining yourself in the ages of mankind, spiritual exercise in lesson 8 of the Eckankar 2 Discourses by Klemp. We see from the quote on page 194 as the footer of a picture of someone watching a visage of China, Stonehenge, Russian churches, teepees, a Greco-Roman temple of 20 or so pillars, water mountains, and the plains. This quote helps to program people into thinking they had past lives, and all of these are even as one of the birds in the clouds depict. Now, picture yourself in other ages and all that sort of stuff is a great way to program your, to help people program themselves into considering something to be a past life recall. Now, we psychologically respond to all sorts of stuff. So to anything we're aware of. So, but that doesn't mean we were actually, like Gestaltian philosophy says, that we are all the characters in our dream. Seems harder to convince people that they had all those reincarnations. So therefore, they say, well, there was a particular character in the dream that was that you're reincarnated from, is what people are going to typically say. So, but I just don't know of any case where it was a necessary explanation to say that somebody was reincarnated. Huge